So over here, I'm in Affinity, and let me just go ahead and bring in, let's say for example, a rectangle tool. I'm going to go ahead and increase the size of the stroke right here so that you can see the stroke clearly. Similarly, now I'm going to go ahead and bring in this trapezoid as well, and let's say for example, this circle right here. And let's say I want to go ahead and then calculate the area of this particular shape that I have right here. Let me just go ahead and fill it up with a different color right here. So if I want to calculate out the total area, what I can simply do is I can actually go around over here onto the measure tool, and here you can see that area tool is an option. Click on anywhere, and then you can see the area right here in pixels, as you can see right here. You can see the drawing scale, so you can go ahead and select 1 by 10 as well, so that the area actually shows 10 times larger. You may need this for reference. But anyways, you can see that this is what I have. This is the area. And you see the perimeter right here, which calculates out the area right here, just like this. You can go ahead and click to deselect it out, or click on it again to see the perimeter right here. So this is what I have. So now what I can also do is go to the area tool, let's say for example, and select out only these shapes. So you can see that this is what I have right here. Now let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and not fill out anything. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then let's say for example, have no fill over here. So now what I can actually also do is go around over here onto the area tool, go ahead and select out this circle, and then you get the perimeter and area for it. Similarly, you can go around over here, let's say for example, select out everything right here, and then go around over here onto the area tool, just like this, and select this out right here, select out multiple shapes right here, just like this, to calculate the area out of the selected object right here. Click on it right here and deselect it, and then whatever objects you select, you will see the area of it right here. And you can see the perimeter as well. So now for the perimeter, I can go ahead and select and deselect out different objects. But let's say I just want to go ahead and select out a particular edge in the perimeter. So to do that, you can go to curve segment right here. And as you do that, you can deselect out some parameters that you don't want. And then you can see that you can go ahead and select that, and you only see the total perimeter of the selected lines. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the area tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe